Hi everyone, join me for a 10-minute Qigong sequence to help you release stress, slow down, and feel more centered. Stand up straight and relax your lower back. Relax your neck and shoulders, and take a moment to lengthen through your spine and the crown of the head upwards. Relax and soften your whole body. The first exercise is spontaneous shaking. Bouncing into your legs and feet, create a subtle vibration through your entire body. Keep it gentle. Allow every muscle in your body to relax and loosen up. Release the back of the neck. Relax your shoulders all the way down to your fingertips. Let all stress and tension to simply drain down your arms and legs and into the ground. Slowly turn to the side, keeping your spine nice and straight. Slow down the movement and take a moment to notice how you feel. Then go ahead and raise your hands up, flex your wrist, and lift upwards, lengthening through your spine. Release the position and relax down. Go ahead and repeat, keeping the movement soft and your breath relaxed. Release and soften down. Go ahead and repeat. One more time. Relax your hands by the side and soften your whole body. To balance the heart, go ahead and inhale through the sides. Exhale, lower your hands. Breathe into the heart and draw a shape of the ball in front of you. Breathe in again. Breathe out. Inhale as you open. Exhale as you bring the hands down the center and back to the abdomen. Repeat. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe into the heart. Exhale and soften. Breathe in. And breathe out. Continue. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe into the heart. Exhale, round down. Breathe in as you lift. Breathe out and relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Stay relaxed in your body. Allow your mind to be calm, focusing on your breath. One more time, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in and out, breathe in, breathe out, inhale and exhale as you relax and bring your hand to the abdomen. Focusing on the sensations underneath your palms, begin circling around. Shifting the weight from one leg to another, stay grounded and connected through your feet. Keep your lower back nice and relaxed and your spine straight. All your attention now is near your abdomen and underneath your palms. This helps to guide the energy away from the head and into the body. Relax the mind and prepare us for better sleep. Continue circling your arms and building the energy underneath your palms. Pause for a moment, then change the direction. Remember to guide your movement from your legs. Your arms naturally follow the body. Let your mind be calm and still. Then slowly guide your hands to face your abdomen. Relax your entire body and bring your attention to your belly. Go ahead and take a nice deep breath in into your abdomen. Exhale, pull the belly in. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in, focusing on the free movement of the belly. Continue breathing deeply into your abdomen. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. And slowly guide your hands and place just below your navel the area that is called the lower dantian, a major energy center for our health and vitality. I encourage you to close your eyes and take a moment to focus on yourself. Bring your awareness to the sensations in your body. Feel connected and grounded through your feet. Same time, feel relaxed and open in your upper body. Slowly open your eyes and relax your hands by the side. Bring your feet together and finish your practice. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you feel nice and relaxed. If you like my videos, please support the channel by subscribing. And if you would like to grow your practice, join me live every Sunday on Zoom. Consider joining my membership site. You can find all the details in the description below.